So Gerald, once they have the money up front to be able to start to pay, for example, on home style, the contractor gets $25,000, but then the vendors can get $25,000. What kind of documentation would be required for those payments? Can you explain that
Absolutely.
as well?
So basically the material invoice, whatever materials were selected at maybe it's Home Depot, they would then produce that invoice along with the W-9 in order to receive payment. A contractor may go to his big box supplier to price out windows, flooring, whatever it may be, and they will give him an estimate. That estimate will have a total on it. That would be provided to the lender. The lender would then request that the store provide a W-9, and then they would cut a check to that supplier.
Awesome, that's great. So that way there is some upfront money for the material, but there is a little bit of paperwork that goes along with it. We just want to make sure the contractor understands that process and the documentation required.
Remember, I'm here for all your mortgage needs. While I do renovation lending, I also do move-in ready. So if you're unsure whether you want to get a fixer-upper or a move-in ready, I can handle both. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news, market updates, and opportunities to save money.